The non-negotiable exercise is push-ups. Yes, you heard that right. Push-ups aren't just an exercise, they're a game changer for your body. They build muscle, boost balance, enhance coordination, and even improve blood flow down there. But that's not all. They might even help prevent dementia. Sounds unbelievable? Stick around and I'll break it all down for you. Plus, I'll tell you exactly how many push-ups you need to unlock these insane benefits. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button for more science-backed fitness tips. Now let's dive into why this simple move could be the most powerful exercise you'll ever do. Building strength and muscle. Push-ups activate the chest, shoulders, arms, and core, making them one of the best exercises to maintain and build muscle mass. As we age, muscle loss leads to weakness, but push-ups help counteract this, keeping the body strong and functional. Regular push-ups ensure better mobility, endurance, and the ability to perform daily tasks with ease. Improves posture and balance. Push-ups strengthens the core and upper body, keeping posture upright and reducing fall risks. Better alignment prevents back pain and enhances stability. Enhances joint health. Push-ups engages shoulder, elbow, and wrist muscles, reducing stiffness and improving flexibility. Helps prevent joint pain and supports long-term mobility. Boosts heart health. Push-up increases heart rate, improves circulation, and lowers blood pressure. Supports cardiovascular endurance without straining the joints. Prevents injuries and falls. Push-ups strengthens core and upper body, improving coordination and reaction time. Reduces the risk of falls and helps with safe movements. Maintains bone density. Weight-bearing movement strengthens bones, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Keeps the skeletal system strong with age. Burns calories and supports weight control. Push-ups engages multiple muscle groups, boosting metabolism and promoting fat loss. Helps maintain a healthy weight and overall fitness. How many push-ups should you do? Seniors should start with 5 to 10 push-ups for 2 to 3 sets, increasing to 10 to 15 reps as strength improves, and aim for 15 to 20 plus reps if advanced. Modified versions like wall or knee push-ups help build strength before progressing to standard push-ups. To perform correctly, place hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Keep the body straight, lower down until the chest is just above the ground, engage the core, and push back up with control. Avoid sagging hips or arching the back to prevent strain. Push-ups improve strength, posture, and balance, making them a must-do for seniors. Easy and convenient. Push-ups require no equipment, can be done anywhere, and modified for any fitness level. A lifelong exercise for strength, mobility, and independence. If you want to stay strong, avoid weakness, and age like a champ, push-ups are a must. Start with what you can do, build up over time, and watch how your strength and energy improve. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fitness tips. See you in the next one.